all cap, this shit is not real.
Hop in this ride and we gon' teach you how to bet. Blacking in this Civic, get no fucks about a 10. See us on a block, I bet the
This might be a real federal video.
I'm trying to tell y'all, this shit about to get crazy tonight.
ain't doing shit. If you ain't putting for this, but I'm sorry, brother, you can't live. That's who I do it for. 40 in this ride.
So I'm gonna get bendy for y'all. YouTube. We back with another video. We got a couple illegal activities we gonna be doing today. So I got my boy Will right here, right? Are we doing illegal activities today? Not burning no tires?
No. My cousin gonna be doing it here.
Oh, alright, he not gonna be doing it. The car gonna be doing it. Somebody else gonna be doing it.
My cousin.
We gonna have to break out the ski mask and change names around here and shit.
Slide inside a truck, high as fuck, tell me something I don't know. Now you gonna get your big.
You know I done did a lot of illegal videos, sliding and getting back, but my car needed a tune forever, and we finally got this joint dialed in, so I'm gonna burn rubber today for real. Y'all gonna see me get active, man. This pink cat been a show V too long, so we're gonna get active. That's why I need everybody else to get active too. Cough, cough, Will.
You got me.
Also, like I said, I needed a tune, so I had these tires on this car since July. We are in March. That is disrespectful as a Hellcat owner. So I'm gonna make it up to y'all today. If you're not from Philly, this is what happens. There's 2 of us, it's supposed to be like 5 of us, and we waiting for everybody. So we're gonna take an early lunch break 2 minutes into the video. Not even. All right, man, we was waiting too long, so we gotta hype the driver up behind us, and we gotta get him to speed this shit up, so we out.
Man, they wanna be just like you. You training hard.
I don't think he trying to keep up too much, but he going to. He either gonna get left or he gonna keep up at this point.
Stay on go, I'm just like you. Get plenty women, plenty money, just like you. Bitch dressed in Fendi.
Oh my God.
And designer, just like you. Told her to send me.
He got the right idea. He keep it up now.
You made it out the bottom, extra poppers, just like you. Before I made $1 million, I paid my dues. I just refused. Took my time with it. I had to grind for this.
This new tune, this shit feel like a rocket for real. Damn.
Few minutes later.
That's what happens when we wait for people. We get stuck in traffic like this. Like, we trying to act like YNs. Like, we can't act like YNs in traffic like this, man. Yo, so that's one of the folks I'm supposed to be meeting out here. It's crazy. I'm gonna tell y'all how I met him once we park up, but that's one of the people. So that's one of the YNs that's about to get active for us right now. Damn, bro, that's how you pull up on us? He pull up trim. Bro, wasn't this shit darker last time I seen it? No, it was just dark outside. Oh, all right. So we made it to Delaware, man. We don't know where Lorshift is. This is where he told us to come, and I don't see him nowhere. We do got my boy right here. What's up, bro?
What's up?
It's crazy how I met him. You want to tell him how I met you? We met him on the highway.
Yes, sir. Randomly. This nigga just started cutting me up. Y'all gonna see the clip.
Right, we're gonna put the clip in.
We gonna put the clip. Just cutting me up like a drone driver.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Out of nowhere. But it's cool though.
The whole time we was coming from North Carolina, so it was a 7-hour drive, but that clip definitely looked like a drunk driver. Happy he wasn't a cop. But bro already know the vibes. He got the skis, I got it on my head. It's going to spin it back around once we hit the Mexico spot. Yeah. Now it's sunny as shit right now. It was not sunny earlier, but if it rained, that means we ain't burning no tires, so hopefully it rain. This color is getting burnt out. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Badly. Yo, Delaware got that shit.
Kitchen, I'm whipping shit up as O'Malley the chef. Got your belly.
Why is that old belly? Why we just catch him randomly in Delaware getting active? Like, what the fuck?
Oh, roll back.
That's the most random link up ever. That's the most random shit ever. And done finally appeared. Look at it. At least he pulled up trim though, right? You took so long, we need to hear that pop pop one more time, please, bro. I got you. That thing pop pop. That shit sound like. it up for him having us waiting here and shit. All right, we came out here to link him and we supposed to be sliding, but check out bro tired before we see one slide. He's still gonna get active for us? Alright, he's still gonna get active, that's all that matters.
He really checking them Jones. Hold on.
He's ranting into that like, hopefully it rains.
My shit scraping the side and everything. This shit done.
Oh yeah, not real wild bike, right? I did the same shit, bro.
Aftermarket.
Every bump that shit.
Yeah, bro. Shit all like Johnny, bro. I gotta fix the whole car.
He said Jotty. Shit, my joint a little Jotty too, man. If it ain't Jotty, it ain't Ryder. You feel me?
We gotta see your shit though.
My whole rap Johnny. My whole rap Johnny. That's all that Johnny on the wheel. I rapped it myself, though. That's why it ain't perfect, but.
I rap my shit myself.
Oh, you did? Yeah, that's what.
I get my shit like that too, bro. The mismatched headlights.
Yeah.
Cause I got the one color shit. Like they just changed one color.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. They did that shit on themselves.
Yeah.
I can't even make it one color. It would be like all over the place, bro.
This shit hard, bro.
I appreciate it, bro. I just got a tune, so this first time I'm gonna get sideways today.
You just got one?
Yeah, just got a tune, bro.
You
just
got
got
Mish, right?
Yeah.
I was gonna hold it up, but
I like the underground shit, bro, but it's like all off the shelf shit, I think, bro. Just for the pops and shit.
like going forward, like
Right.
the shit going. It's a scat. You know they can't.
And
Really
you gotta be
hold
on
it.
your oil a lot
Yeah.
with that popping shit.
Shit go.
Incognito, bro. We like, who the fuck is that? Hell, you filled that bitch off, though? We didn't even know that was you. Yeah. This is my man Juju. If you don't know, he a Delaware boy now. He jump in the DM like, where you going? I just text him back, going to Delaware. Don't even know where he seen me, where he at. Nothing. He like, I'm in front of you. I'm on the way.
You was in the daily or something?
Yeah,
I was in the daily. I had
we
my
ain't see
daughter.
him. You see
I'm
nuts.
pushing that shit. My daughter in the car. I'm like, yo, hold on. I need to go get my car.
So where do you think this come from?
I need to get my fucking car, yo.
Yeah, he pulled right up trim though. But that paint smacked way harder than the wrap though.
Yeah,
like,
I know.
when you was pulling out that front black, I'm like, dang.
my God.
Yeah. That should make me miss paint, bro.
Yeah,
My shit all black too.
I'm thinking about repainting my shit. I need to go live.
Crack the supercharger up, I done scared granny. 50 racks each pocket while my pants sag. I got $1 million deal still
Here
drip.
to meet my one man right here, Lorshift, and it look like we got a fucking takeover out here. So this might be a real federal video.
I'm trying to tell y'all this shit about to get crazy tonight, yo. We about to draw.
Now we just waiting for the demon?
Yeah, it's crazy. That nigga lived the closest to us right now.
The closest and the fastest too. That shit a demon.
That's crazy.
Ain't none of this shit out here a demon, so he should be here first. What? Little us, Tokyo drip vibes and me kind of make him out a little bit. Bro, but all up here is fucked up, bro. But when the last time you seen him? Like 6 months ago. So,
Bro, I never seen it peak. Last time I seen your car.
bro, you seen me.
When?
When I came down here last time, we was in the garage. Bro.
You right. Because it was low as shit on the
Yeah.
grill. Because I actually, if it was a poppy.
Damn. Been 6 months a lot of driving.
I mean, it don't matter. Like, once you come right here, like, you.
That shit
Right.
crazy.
It's a 10 feeder, like.
All y'all shit's tuned or like, nah.
Nah, I'm tuned.
He just got
That SS tuned?
It got a little pop.
How you be mashing on that joint on the gram? That shit gotta be tuned, bro. He gassing.
You gotta bumper swap it. You gotta put this.
So yeah, one joint on there.
It's a SS. They can't say nothing. It's a SS.
Nah,
I
that
put
shit-
it on my shit.
So you gonna burn some rubber today, though?
Neck.
Damn.
Don't spin.
No spin. Talk about neck, he not sliding. That was me the whole time, but we just got that tune, so I'm gonna get bendy for y'all.
shit bad, bro.
I salute you doing it yourself, bro. I don't know how much hate I get on my drum, bro.
Shit bad. On camera it look good. Though.
Yeah,
That's
that's,
what
bro, that's why I was crazy. Like, Graham going stupid, so I don't care.
I think RGB Halo kits.
Yeah, that's my shit too.
And I had to take it apart and like.
Oh, you put them in the oven and shit?
Yeah.
I
It took like 5 hours, bro.
Probably find a charger one on Facebook.
What I was gonna do, and I just bought them like that already. I paid $500, so I'm like, why fuck my OEM joints up?
Cool.
Sold the OEM joint for like $6, so that worked out. You know that shit geeked up. That shit breathing. He got had some shit done to it. We about to go find out. Shush! This shit breathing. I know this shit pushing. Dying. What type of gas? Not 93, right?
Nah, it's on you.
Yeah, that shit breathing. Damn. Who you tuned by? Yeah, me too, damn. That's what. Sheesh!
That's this shit too.
He regretting shit now. He regretting
Right, I
shit.
should have kept it on E85. God,
You took it off?
yeah. I be trying to slide and shit. That shit not good. Like, they blow that bitch.
You better get both of them. They got the joint where you can switch through the map.
Yeah.
On the little phone joint.
You gotta go red eye fuel pumps? You don't got switched from the red eye
No,
joint?
he definitely already upgraded too.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, I did too. Same thing.
Yeah, money, fuck bitch, take money. I talk this.
So we about to head to a park and chill. We're gonna wait for the sun to go down before we go to Mexico. So y'all gotta stay tuned, man. She said she bippin'. Right, she fried rice in this joint.
Joey finna do one of them quick ones again. Put the cup inside the fridge, might wanna sip something again. 40,000 on me, it's a brick up in my pen.
Bro on a side quest. It look like Delaware really getting some money because he not even with us. He on some side quest looking trim over there. But we about to race out the light. Yo, we racing out the light?
See that cop? That nigga on dick.
I did not see him. Yo. I'm ready to go straight to jail. I'm ready to go straight to jail. Look at this nigga. Look at it. Right here. I was going straight to jail.
On that. I'm gonna be popping this shit, so it might get loud.
That's a ticket to jail. That's a ticket to jail right there. That shit sound like straight gunshots. I don't even know if my cameraman can hear it anymore. You good over there, bro? Fuck no. Need earplugs for that shit. Damn.
That shit's drawing.
Shit. Damn, my shit did that. I would have been booked a long time ago. That's all I can do. I can't do no popping, so I just got. Look at that dude. That shit scream, bro. That shit scream. Bro, I walked up on bro. This is Q60. Look at this carbon. This shit is crazy. And I come back to him like, yeah, what's next, bro? The hood? He's talking about, dog, this next. My boy pulled up 2 wheels back to back. Both them bitches fire. All right, we on like our 19 side quest. We about to make a real quick, and then we're gonna do YN activities right after this. So y'all gotta hold on just a couple more minutes. We should do it. We can wait for that monster.
Yeah, like, how much you want to bet that they gonna take like 30 minutes?
Yeah, right, just because we here.
I should leave something to eat while I'm here.
Everything for the free ski, bro. Give me a juice. Everybody like, oh, it looks so good. Not this one, but my old joint at the market.
At least it's not as bad as his though. His shit really
His shit bad. He like, damn, why we
zoom in right here.
Damn!
I ain't even gonna do it.
Damn! Oh shit!
Bro, that's weird, bro.
They still be cutting it. Did you cut yours?
Nah, I didn't.
Yeah, man. That's why you be scraping. I cut mine, but I still scrape a little bit. But they be drilling them holes. Just like ain't no going back once you do it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why, like, I don't know why I thought I should have just cut it, bro. Because once I drilled them holes,
Bro, it really don't look bad, though. I didn't know until you said it, for real. Perfection overrated, bro. I ain't about shit to me spend some cheese with somebody. Somebody say they like your shit, it feel better when you get. Yeah, that's my hand slapping everything on there.
That's why I like to do everything myself, like the rap, all that shit, bro. The rap and hood.
I'm giving bitches a band apiece. Trick off, you fucked up the recipe. Bitches know ain't no finesse in me. Ever get my bitch a masterpiece.
Yo, bro, used to be an iPhone warrior. Look at you now. Bro done upgraded.
Just lease.
He says a lease camera. Fuck it, we ball, right?
I said, neck, bro, email me that. I ain't even gonna try to take a pic.
No bullshit. Too many cameras in the air, like.
Hey, you know, nah, keep your phones up because I'm getting the pic. I don't know about trying to. Don't sit these niggas nothing. I need my shit.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm running out of things to do with my car. And I don't know, this is real tempting right here. This nice cutout showing this big old demon. This real tempting. I don't know. So this might be the next thing up. Let me know if y'all want to see that in here. This how serious this shit is. I'm gonna show y'all this reel right here. Look at my man.
I tap in when the reel drop. I'm very tap into that shit, bro.
Independent, don't need your help, bro. I'm good. Rap wasn't recommended. I just did it cause I could. Okay, beating walls.
Chill, bro. We gotta give him a little sneak peek real quick.
Wait, I gotta go tap in the grams, man. Back again, real federal, so maybe it's time to leave. We about to actually go do some YN activities now, so the pink cat is about to get sideways. For shaking hands and getting the fuck out of here, like, oh shit. Well, the pink cat gonna get bendy for y'all, fuck it. Nah, Nas, I already knew Nas wasn't slide shit.
He on the phone, caked up, like it's over.
You sliding?
Slide, right?
Yeah!
I'm on the phone with my baby mom. She said they're gonna get my daughter, so I gotta go.
Cap.
6 of us look like it's 3 left. You gotta slide, but you gotta pull up.
Like, bro, sit at the front, be security or something.
Alright, be security for it.
You ain't playing for this, but I'm sorry, brother, you can't hit. So I do it for you. Brody been his ride, I've been a block, then been a couple more. My brother booked the GTA, gon' run it till he home. That's all in the trenches, they gon' post the get a foreign dream. Hey, how you coming? Tay behind the wheel, I got the option, this shit bumping. Mr. Dog, bitch, I can't go out like
that bitch said calm down, that shit turned off him, said calm down, too much.
I'm getting bitches a band of peace. Trick off, you fucked up the recipe. Bitches know ain't no finesse in me. Ever get my bitch a masterpiece. Famous bitches was harassing me. Freaky bitches wanna line the piece. Fuck the good, I couldn't find the key. Bitch, she love me, she lying to me. Famous man, she is selling the post. I'm from the trenches, I'm signing her throat. Adderall, I am not driving a boat. Roll my gun, I'm counting, let's go. Insecure bitches, they crying the most. After these rappers, my shit shine the most. After the threesome, I get with a bow. A bitch at the crib, I ain't saving no hoe. I leave the crib and she use her roll. Can't come around, I'm a grooving hoe.
Alright, man, I have not got sideways in this cat. Just got a tune, so I'm gonna get bendy for y'all, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, and comment. I had this car for a year and I never ever did that. Just for y'all. Lorshift turn, man. We came out here. We need you to turn. Oh yeah, skeezy. Hold up.
We got this.
Cousin right here. This Lorshift cousin. He about to get active for us.
I took Lorshift car. I don't know what the fuck he doing, but he straight that shit.
Just a good Johnny.
I'm gonna show him how to get bendy real quick though. Hold on, y'all.
Get bendy for you real quick.
Can't hear these
just did YN activities. I hope y'all like what y'all seen. I came out here to fuck with my man Lorshift.
Yes, sir.
If y'all like what y'all seen, man, get us to 500 likes and I'm coming back out here and fuck with him again, man. I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Make y'all subscribe. Oh, my man right here, he's getting bendy too. He was real quiet all day, but you got active behind the wheel. I hear you there. I got dap you up for that one, bro. You was snapping. You was snapping too, bro. And you was snapping too, bro. So we're gonna wrap it up here. I'm gonna catch y'all next time, man.